Okay, so this question came in 2021 in CS paper and it is a 2-mark question. So let's see that we have two rectangular sheets of paper M and N, okay, of dimension 6 into 1 each. Sheet M is ruled to form an open cylinder by bringing the short edges of the sheet together, and sheet N is cut into the equal square of patches and assembled to form the largest possible closed cube. Assuming the end of cylinders are closed, the ratio of the volume of the cylinder to that of the cube is, okay, very nice. So it will form a cube of side 1 basically. It will look like something like this. I don't have very good drawing skills. So the volume of cube is 1 cube, which is 1, okay, and it is rolled to form a cylinder. The cylinder length will be 1, and we know the perimeter is 2 pi r is 6. Here we can have that radius r equals 3 by pi. Very nice. Now volume of the cylinder is pi r square L, which is pi 3 by pi square into 1. So the volume of cylinder is 9 by pi. Now we required the ratio V cylinder, volume cylinder divided by volume of cube, which is nothing but 9 by pi. So let's see that if it is available in the options. Yes, it is the option C, and option C is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Please share, subscribe.